From cacao beans to chocolate. Cacao beans grow. A farmer plants many cacao trees. Hard pods grow on each tree. Inside each pod are seeds called cacao beans. The cacao beans are taken out of the pods, then they are left in the sun to dry for many days. The dry beans are put into large sacks. The beans are roasted. The beans are cleaned in the chocolate factory. Then the beans are roasted. Roasting the beans cooks them. It is easier to take shells off beans that have been roasted. Machines mash the beans. The shells are taken off the beans. Then the beans are mashed. Mashing the beans turns them into a very soft paste called cacao butter. Milk and sugar are added to the cacao butter to make chocolate. The chocolate is heated and mixed for several days. Mixing makes the chocolate smooth and creamy. The chocolate is poured into molds. The chocolate is cooled in the molds and it becomes hard. The chocolate is taken out of the molds. Machines wrap the chocolate. Trucks take the wrapped chocolate to stores to be sold.